In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into ClickUp. First, open ClickUp in your web browser and sign in to your workspace. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you belong to more than one, since imports will land where you're currently active. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen and click your profile icon. From the menu that opens, choose Settings. This takes you to the area where you can manage your account and workspace preferences. Inside Settings, find and open the Imports/Exports section. This is the control center for bringing data into ClickUp. Here, you'll pick the source of your import. If you're moving tasks from a file, you'll typically choose a CSV or spreadsheet. If you're migrating from another tool, select that platform from the list. Choosing the correct source helps ClickUp interpret your data accurately. Next, choose where you want your tasks to land. Select the exact location in your hierarchy, such as a space, a folder, and then a list. If you're unsure, consider creating or selecting a dedicated list for imports so you can review everything in one place before reorganizing. You'll now set your date format. Match this to the dates in your file, for example, month/date/year or day-month-year. Getting this right ensures due dates, and start dates are recognized correctly instead of being flipped or ignored. Then choose the delimiter used for multi-value fields. This is the character that separates multiple entries in a single cell, often a comma, semicolon, or pipe. Open your file beforehand to confirm which one it uses. If your values include commas inside text, make sure the file is properly quoted to avoid splitting items incorrectly. When those settings look good, click Continue. You'll be prompted to upload your file. Drag and drop it into the window, or click to browse your computer. Double-check that you're selecting the most up-to-date version of your file to avoid importing outdated information. After selecting the file, confirm your choice, and then click Import into ClickUp. The import will begin processing. Larger files may take a bit longer, so give it a moment. You can continue working in ClickUp while it runs in the background. That's it. You've gone from opening ClickUp to configuring your import settings, uploading your file, and starting the import. With the right destination, correct date format, and proper delimiter, your tasks should come in cleanly and be ready for you to use immediately. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in ClickUp.